What's up, YouTube? What's up, Governors Nation? How you all doing? It's been a while. It's been a while since I posted. I hope you guys are doing great. Like very, very great. This summer is crazy. Everywhere on fire. So posting video. This the condition of this weather. You really get us a bit, but I could try to give on a line before the summer runs out. You know. I hope una dey pray. Because prayer are the key. Make that your two knees never leave the ground. And the key. Now, Alora, get one story when I want to tell you now. Not really a story. Now, what it just happened. You know, like 2 weeks ago, I want this medium to talk to my African people. Because nothing like your own people. Even if another country person love you, but you know if you get that kind of oppression when your own people love you. I pray made this video not so long. And like 2 weeks ago, now I want to talk the event when it happened to my friend, my very dear friend. We lost her like 2 weeks ago, or a week plus if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I need to mention a name now Bohiro. If you see him, a gallant. The two chests, they be like two Catholic church. Both of us they gym together back then. But now they stress too much, so nobody they get line to even go they carry iron again. They run up and down. So to cut a long story short, this guy they work follow one man. I think they might give him a life contract. So on a very faithful day, in the top camion, calling a mechanic, na camion in the repair those those truck. So I think they on that they run up, so the thing drop on them. Back then we still the first camp. The thing drop on her. Carry the guy hospital, the guy maga. He spent a year for hospital. Then we don't already come up for the camp. Spend a year for hospital. Transfer as good the other camp. Then when he come out for hospital, then he come meet us there. But only one be the person that carry go there. So at last say, your friend is still the governor. So he come meet me there. So he dey opposite my room. We they do things together, they eat together. Very lovely dude. If he not get problem, boy hero. The place where they carry us go. Who no know him? Who no know him? So as he come out for hospital, his body never still strong like that. The rest of the body don't heal, but his leg never heal. So if you go hospital, they will see dress am for him like that. So he come to work out small, but he never this strong like that. So he come buy one bike, make it the road, because if they trek all the time, the way would they run them. Like that. So he can't need to go to the hospital so that they'll fit take care of that leg. So according to the whole thing, they know you get one vein where they no connect for the leg. So now they say they make kind of lip leg. So in they give me just say, the doctors when they meet now, could tell and say the doctor will handle the case, who handle and where say destroy. See so many things where the doctor no put together, some things we not put together, or maybe probably not that leg. Because he's supposed to work and after a year for hospital. Till now, when I don't come out for the camp like a year plus or 2 years now, it's still lift the leg before 2 weeks ago. So what really happen? So in content me say, the doctors when they mean they say the other doctors not doing well, say, so they go help and arrange the leg this time. Say better they wait for. He keep telling me say that they wait for goose. May I put on like that so they want bring come to arrange the leg or something. I was like, okay, yes, now good thing. Since another doctor, they don't tell you saying go feel run now. So the guy keep going there. To cut a long story short again, I know I made this video too long. To cut a long story short. So one time when they can't go, they want go operate the leg. He called me, say, Governor Alpha, he say in the hospital now because we don't live for the same area again. Say in the hospital now, say, okay, correct. You want to take that leg? He say yes. He said, but what did the doctor just come the meet him, they tell him, he say, making whether my guy will like me they open your belly. Now I say, open your belly. He say, you don't know. Now I say, you know the way friends they joke. Now I say, tell that doctor, say, you get governor. And if I hear him, I will come there, I will finish everybody. I just normal play, normal joke. Like that. Not last. Tell him, say, you get you tell am say your guy say if you hear am na problem na go give them normal you come dey laugh na so we dey joke. So a boss go still go hospital, they go still postpone the operation, say the things never come like that. So finally 2 weeks ago he say yes, they don ready to operate am. I go say, oh thank God, so that as your document just come out, so you go just run go house for December, go take care of 1 or 2, marry, do the necessary things wey you suppose do, see your family, because na be the breadwinner. Na my very good friend. My very good friend. So they go finally put am for hospital. So me throughout that week when that thing happened to am, so I think from a Monday thing, that Thursday, we dey talk, they do voice note, everything. If I don't get line to do reaction video, I will still bring this my brother matter come again. I will do the reaction, because the clip what they supposed to send me, they never send them for me. Make una dey listen o. He say before now, it's like he sued the first doctor or something. He sued am. So those ones supposed to pay for damages, because they damage am. They're supposed to pay for damages. So the oga dey aware. You don't understand. So when this time for this operation come reach now a leg o, na dem wan operate o. When even data inside, we dey return message back to back when even dey inside. So you can't tell me say that very Thursday abi Wednesday, you can't tell me say they don't move am go that first hospital. Now I say that first hospital. Now I say, but so far they go fit take care of the leg. He say yes. He said they will give am 1 injection first before they commence treatment. Now I say, abeg, make you watch that injection well o, because say these people, their head no correct. Come say okay, no problem. So the very day when the operation suppose commence, I can't text am before the operation. He no come respond. The next day, I think around after 10 in the morning, now my friend just called me. How far? Wetin dey happen? He burst into tears instantly. Wetin happen? You talk to me, calm down. He say my brother don't go. Now I say who? He say Rasta. Instantly strength fail me. I was like, I'll call you back. I beg, I'll call you back. Strength fail me. Before I regain my strength, it take time. Tears everywhere. But now let them want do. Wetin now let just can't keep person like that. Something is fishing, something is going on. So I know they there. So in Gambia, Senegal people, they there. Those one hunger to hear. No, that very day, I come down. I think in the afternoon, I be in the evening. So people come small. So later, when night done they fall, I not get place when I will crash there. So now I got to come over this side. So anything they happen, anything they want to do, may they let me know. So I will still come out, come support. So these guys, cause say when they go there, they not allow them see the body. They say, but when they struggle themselves, enter inside, comot the cloth for a body. They say my guy, they finish my guy chest. They say they butcher him. So they bush around, take everything for your body. See those heavy chest will be like two Catholic church. They empty the stomach, empty the chest. See nothing there inside again. They bush around, they up live on there like animal. So now they hear this matter, so now so they just still kill that guy. So now more that be the case. So the boss, when he died, the boss just can't drop his things for camp, drop his phone, he took off. Till today, the boss never pick up. So you know something a conspiracy. And so they take murder than my guy. Now how I want to donate to carry him go a country. Now we come there now. If you see how you go trip now, he gallant. I say it just be like two Catholic church, but they murder him for hospital. Why I bring this matter come? Never you go to hospital alone. You know how this people be. How many times black don't go hospital and not come back again? If your person even did there, the feel even run a Java instantly. But if you know they that one a clear opportunity to kill them, collect things what they want collect. They go say na heart fail them or who get problem for leg, na heart they fail. You see and so my guy just take discharge. Person wey they say want go house for December. Now so you can't take pass. Now knife hand, I come pass. So you see, we did this country, so we need to be very careful. You know, say for the world, they not like black. And we can't do country with black say, you know the way they sup. You know the way they sup. If you want to go hospital, make sure say somebody deal with you. Make sure say somebody deal with you. Or else, no lose all. No lose all. So I beg you now. I beg you now. So many things like this they happen when we hear the stories. But this one, I know him. Like I know him. I don't know if you guys are getting me. I know him. But just that I not enter the hospital where those men enter, I go see the body. So they will send the body come for me. I go do reaction video put. But when you just first drop this one first, maybe you see things when they pass through for Europe. They want to use our past to save the life of their own people. Our past is always sticking. And each time you go there without a company, they say and say that you only want just lose guard, they come. No, it's not. You know if you fall out again. They get me, so let's be careful. I beg you that. If you want to go, make sure that somebody there with you, especially when you want to go do all those operations. I get guy recently when want to do operation now. He go France, go do operation. He say you don't know whether they will move for hospital for year. Now I go France. Everybody they dread. If you dey sick now, just sick for inside your house by yourself. No fall out. Or you order for medicine for Africa. Or else, a murder will be the case. But waiting all this one boy to African governments need to sit up. African government need to sit up. We better pass all these countries. By the end of the day, we'll deal with them. Hey, 14 minutes. This video not too long. Make una share this video. Subscribe. Press that that like button. Subscribe. Press the notification bell. Each time I post video, you'll be the first to know. I'll bring you another video again. But before then, peace. Pray without ceasing and stay out of trouble. Always take charge and be careful. I beg you now. Alright now. Bye bye. I'll come your way again. One love.